Which of the following materials is the best conductor of electricity? Answer C. Gold. What component is used to change alternating current voltage? Answer C. Transformer. What is the device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy? Answer A. Generator. What type of current flows in a battery? Answer A. DC current. What is the speed of electricity? Answer C. 300,000 kilometers per second. What is the unit of measurement for the intensity of electric current? Answer C. Ampere. What is the law that describes the relationship between current, voltage, and resistance? Answer A. Ohm's law.